Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fishing lures that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rapala Rattlin fishing lures. Fishing tackle that tried to look like real fish used to be, well, plain awful. Thankfully, we have a brand like Rapala to set the record straight on what a convincing tackle should look like. This lure comes with 2 rust-resistant hooks for superior staying power, and occasionally, catching 2 smaller fish at the same time if you're lucky, thanks to the bright colors and reflective properties of the exterior. They're also going to be attracted to the sound this makes when it hits and sinks into the water, because this lure is loaded with Rattlin BBs to arouse an audience as soon as it sinks below the top of the water. Be sure to combine this with a cool fishing bobber from our list. Moving on at number 4, we have the Yakima Rooster Tail Spinner Fishing Lures. Yakima got straight to the point on this one, making it fairly simple to understand. But there's a hidden power to this lure. Not only will your catch be attracted to the bright color scheme, but the tassels on the backside actually get caught in the fish's mouth. Plenty of anglers have said that it begins to kill the fish before you've pulled it out of the water, reducing the struggle and chance of them getting away. Apart from that, the 2-ended fish hook makes short work of their grip, so you can simply use your fishing pliers to unhinge them, and toss another one in the cooler. At number 3, we have the RUNCL Anchorbox Soft Fishing Lures Kit. Going after a bigger game? You're going to need a bigger lure. This 5-pack of multicolored frog lures attracts game like never before. You get 4 smaller frogs and 1 larger unit that reflects light from the white vertical striping on the hind legs. When you're tossing large-scale pieces of plastic into the water, it doesn't hurt to do exactly what RUNCL did and make them completely environmentally friendly. These PVC lures attract larger underwater life and are specifically primed to help you catch dogfish. Make sure you always have it handy in your fishing backpack. At number 2, we have the Lixada Multi-Jointed Fishing Lures. It's time to get serious about catching bigger game. Most fish are predatory to one another, so let's lure them out of the murky blue with this 3-pack of high-end lures. Measuring from 5 inches up to 12 inches, these lures feature multiple joints to emulate the real movements of a fish swimming through the ocean. These lifelike movements will bring on quicker bites, where your prey will get stuck on each of the 2 corrosion-resistant steel fish hooks. If you're going after pike or muskie, you're about to haul out more than you could ever eat with Lixada's lures. If you love ice fishing, check out our guide to the best ice fishing shelters as well. And finally at number 1, we have the Truscend Fishing Bass Fishing Lures. In the spirit of lifelike bait, Truscend built this pack of crankbaits to bring on the heat from predatory fish. While these are built mostly for bass fishing, you'll be able to apply them to just about any predatory fish with outstanding results. The entire body is 3D printed to provide a more lifelike and realistic appearance, while the split joints and S-diving pattern make this look like a real fish from the moment it touches the water. Bass and other large fish won't be able to resist, so be on your toes with that line at the ready. You'll be bringing home big hauls in no time. For more great fishing equipment, make sure you check our selection of the best fishing shoes. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.